think we're going to the campsite?
We're gonna go to the Steelhead Expo.
Steelhead Expo. Shoot it on you.
And then what else are we gonna do?
Shoot it on you.
And then what else are we gonna do?
We're gonna go to the campsite. I just wrote on
Campsite, that's right.
Yeah. Shoot it on you. Shoot it on, just on you.
Got Chuck Earls. Got his kayak here. He's gonna show us this. We'll take a ride, sure. Thank you. Hey folks, Kenny James here from Kenny James Outdoors. We are here at the Rocky River Nature Center and for a Steelhead Expo. It's near the Central Basin of Lake Erie, and let's go take a round. And I say around because this nature center is kind of circular. We'll take a stroll through and check out the area and see what they say about the steelhead. It's late September in Ohio, and we're at early season steelhead run. So here we go, folks. Looks like they got a little library here for the nature center. Children's books. They got a little playhouse here. Kids are playing in.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for coming to Steelhead Expo 2022.
Yeah, we're just north of the city. Probably about 30 minutes north of the city now. Yeah?
There's a guy here tying up some flies.
I think we'll see our my daughter has friends. My daughter has friends. Tim's one of the guys who got behind the
Fly reels. Go outside and check out. Oh, look what we have here. Sitting nestled in right into the forest. Nice little river here. I tell you don't have to travel far in Ohio to find nice nature preserves and plenty of outdoor activities. Many of us think a real vacation is to travel far and away, but Ohio has a lot to offer, all the way from the softwoods, forests in the north to the hardwoods in the south, and every ecosystem in between. That means a lot to me for the Ohio area. inside and see what else they have to offer. Lots of fly fishing gear and experts.
I'll make you a deal. You buy 10 of them, I won't charge you $10.
Appreciate that.
You can't beat their offer, buddy.
We're just talking about how consistent those flies that
Some Pioneer clothes. This is for those of us who clean all the leaves off of our property. This is an explanation on why not to do that. Leave the leaves. Whenever possible, leave the leaves falling on the ground rather than raking them up and send them to a landfill. How you doing, sir?
Hello.
You here to educate us on what it takes to fly fish?
Well, at least tie some flies.
Yeah. So we saw the expo. A lot of it was for fly fishing, and I'm not much of a fly fisher. I'd say about 98% of the show. So for the fly fishers out there, I would say it's very informative. There's lots of gear there. They had things on sale, and it was still very interesting for me. I got to talk to them a little bit about how the steelhead migrate and what their feeding habits are while they're in the river. And this is my son Noah, and he's kind of my partner in crime this weekend.
I didn't say that, partner.
He is a partner, and turns out that he is a friendly tree monster. Were you a friendly tree monster to the little kids that you met on the playground?
No. I was not doing it. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. Yeah. I didn't like it. I did not like them.
He met a lot of young kids that were running around there, and they were able to play, and they had a tree house set up there, and the nature center there is they went all out. It's really awesome. So we're managed to come to a state forest campground for the night. We're going to do some truck camping, and we got the firewood set up here, and we got some Lunchables for the boy. And what else do we have? We have dinner. No. We have dinner here that Noah went to the store and picked out all
beef
of our...
ravioli and spaghetti and meatballs.
That's right. What do we have for snacks?
Lunchables and...
What is that?
Cinnamon rolls, bread with butter, and cinnamon rolls again.
Bread with butter for breakfast, which is his favorite. And yeah. And one of my favorites, sunflower seeds.
Seriously?
Seriously.
I'm going to smash that camera.
This bed I built with separated laths of wood on the top, so this is gonna pull out and make a double bed. We're gonna unload the firewood, get ourselves organized. We're in Findlay State Forest. The tree canopy is super tall here, We're still in northern Ohio, late September, but it's a beautiful state park so far. It's my first time visiting. Gave us a picnic table and fire ring. Noah got him a new rocker. You want to show him how to demonstrate how the rocker works? This is a low rocker, so he fits in it pretty good, and he can rock. And look at the fire. Go.
Demonstrated to rock.
I stand right here. No, you're gonna video me. Come here. Just like that. So this bed is designed to slide out, and I still got all my stuff stored underneath. But the way it's designed, you should be able to slide that out. This was my first go at it.
Ooh, it's like
So
a
that's about it. Now we have 2 spots. One
Good.
for me and one for Noah. Here we go. Set your other camp. Put the bed there. Should be good to go. Now we have 2 beds. What do you think, Noah? Climb up there and see what it does. You got a queen bed up there. Is it good?
It's horrible.
What if we aired up the mattress? You think it'd be better then?
What?
You think it would be better after we aired up the mattress?
Yeah, it's too low.
Yeah. Alright, well.
Are you still recording me, man?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna throw that. Up. Can I?
I got that strap in the center there because when I close the glass, I have broken one of these shocks right here. And she struts by pulling on the corner of the glass to close it. So I put that strap in the center and it pulls down the glass evenly. So always a modification somewhere to make it right. And I still got more to go, but I think at this point I can at least camp and use it, and then after using it I can see what exactly I want to do next with it.
I think people are can I? So, as I was singing,
What are we getting ready to do?
we're getting ready to eat lunch and start eating those seeds. And my dad there's like those seeds too much, and I want him to stop eating those.
gas for the gas stove.
I think it didn't seem like much water.
If you touch the back of the screen, then it'll turn it back on. So we got the camp toaster here.
Show it.
The camp toaster.
Okay, Daddy, show what this looks like.
We're gonna toast some bread on here, or at least attempt to.
Okay.
What do you think? Sound like a good idea?
Yeah. Hey, Daddy. What do you think is gonna work on that toaster? Like, maybe the hotness is gonna go through the pan, and then the bread is gonna get heated. Probably. We'll be right back. Well,
So we're gonna attempt to toast some bread. We've got water boiling in the new pot that I just bought from the store. Maybe we can boil out whatever kind of manufacturing contaminants are in it. So we'll rinse that out. Get some bread toasting here. See how that turns out. Got my boys spaghetti and meatballs, and I'm gonna have some beef ravioli.
what does yours look like?
It looks like this.
No, is it on the inside of it? Open it.
I'll open it here in just a minute. So we got the boys spaghetti and meatballs in there. Looks like our toast is toasting. Won't be long now. We'll go ahead and eat. Get this fire going.
And this is how you use this chair. See? Fire, see?
Yeah? Well, I managed to get dinner finished. Bought this little low boy rocking chair. Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Here we are. Got camp set up. Truck's a mess. Gotta get that cleaned up. We're just gonna, Noah's gonna play on his little video game, and Daddy's gonna relax and watch the fire. So yeah, it did cross my mind the way I designed this with this lath that slides out from each other, that will I feel the ribs? Will I feel those spaces in between? And I'm thinking with that I air it up enough, the mattress, we shouldn't feel it. But so this is what the frame looks like when it's slid out. Lots of gaps, but I'm gonna guess that that's not gonna be a problem. So we're both pretty cozy in here. Got plenty of room, don't we?
Yeah.
The laugh board with the mattresses aired up.
Laugh board?
Yeah, those, the way we got the bed built, they separate.
It's like a board that laughs?
Lath. T-A-L-A-T-H. And you don't feel the missing lath boards when you separate the two parts of the bed. So it's like it's good solid surface. Feels good. We're gonna take a little siesta, and we had our dinner, a little fire, and it's pretty cozy in here. We'll see you in the morning. Life.
Yes.
Well, here we are. It's a rainy morning, and we managed to stay dry and sleep good. Got the coffee on, some toast. Had pretty good luck with it yesterday for dinner. Oh, this looks like it's toasting already. So once it starts to toast, I have to turn it like that and toast the other side. High heat, I would say, mostly high heat, because I don't like the. I'm guessing that if I keep it on too low of a heat, that it'll just dry the bread out, and it'll toast it, but it'll be super dry. So this way I toast it and keep some texture. Went through some pretty good firewood. All of our stuff's soaking wet from the rain, but we stayed dry inside our camper top. That's all that counts. Now we're gonna have some breakfast and see what we got for the rest of the day. Head out of Findlay State Park and head straight north. Just wanted to give you a view of
600 feet, turn left to stay on Park Road 3.
The tree canopy here is really nice. It's tough to find in Ohio or in the Great Plains. They chopped all the trees down for farming when we settled here, so it's nice to see some of the colors you can start seeing. It's late September, last week of September, and the colors are starting to show. So we're gonna head north to Lorraine Harbor Lighthouse, and we're gonna go take a look at the lake.